Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today our prayer is that God would bless you. As we wrap up this series on looking at different prayers, I want to turn your attention to the book of Numbers, chapter 6. We're going to look at a prayer of blessing that God wanted Aaron to pray over the people of Israel. We'll pick up at verse 22. Here's what it says. Then the Lord said to Moses, "Tell Aaron and his sons to bless the people of Israel with this special blessing. May the Lord bless you and protect you. May the Lord smile on you and be gracious to you. And may the Lord show you his favor and give you his peace." As a Devo team, the same prayer that God wanted Aaron to pray over his people is the same prayer that we want to pray over you today. When things get difficult, may the Lord bless you and protect you. When you feel anxious and you're worried, may the Lord smile on you and be gracious to you. And when you find yourself in transition and unsure on the direction you're going in, may the Lord show you his favor and give you his peace. Today, we want you to walk away knowing that God's blessing is upon you. Now go and have an awesome day.